I'm going to talk about the costs involved with Medicare Part A and Medicare Part B, so stay tuned. I'm Keith Armbrecht, founder of MedSup Savings. I hope you'll find the information in this video very helpful and presented in an easy to understand format. Turning Medicare eligible is actually a very good thing. You'll likely find Medicare to be a much better alternative for your health insurance needs than what you may have had previously. But there are some choices. So I've created a Medicare Resource Center where I have a complete video library on everything Medicare. You'll also find all the necessary links and the guides and the forms that go along with them. So please, after this video, take just a few minutes to explore our Resource Center. You'll likely find everything that you need for Medicare. You can also get an immediate quote for your Medicare supplement insurance. Just fill out your basic information and it will provide the rates for the plans that are available in your area. It would also be a really good idea to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you'll always have access to my videos and you'll get updates as they come along. So again, I hope you find this information very helpful, and please let me know if I can help.
We're now going to talk about how much does Medicare cost. And when we're talking about Medicare, we're talking original Medicare, which is Medicare Part A and Medicare Part B. This has nothing to do with Medicare Advantage or supplement plans or drug coverage. This is simply original Medicare Part A and Part B. Is there a cost to you? And this information comes right out of the Medicare and You guidebook. If you don't have it, visit my Resource Center on the website. You can download it right there. You can always have it on your computer, so whenever you need it, you'll be able to pull it up very easily. So down at the bottom here, how much does Part A cost? Part A is generally the hospital benefit portion of your Medicare. And usually there is no premium for Part A. So assuming that you or your spouse have been working and paying Medicare taxes, Part A is given to you at no additional cost. So if you're not in that situation, you may have to buy into it. And if you need help with that, just give me a call. I can explain it to you. But for the majority of people, there is no cost for Part A. Now down here at the bottom, you can see how much does Part B cost. Part B is the doctor portion of your healthcare expenses. And if you choose to have Part B in 2015, it's $104.90 a month. So there is a $105 premium to Part B in 2015, and that does generally tend to go up some every year. Some people may pay more than that, so it is income based. And I'll show you a chart here in just a minute on what it's based on, but most will pay $104.90 in 2015. Now here is the chart that kind of shows what you'll pay, and your income is based on 2 years prior. So in 2015, they look at your income from 2013. And you can see here, very easy to kind of read the chart, whether you're filing individually or whether you're filing jointly. It can go from $104.90 if individually you're between $85,000 and $107,000, or if you're filing joint, you're between $170,000 and $214,000. That's going to bump your premium all the way up to $146.90 a month, and then you can see the numbers where they go from there. So it is income based, and you can kind of get a pretty clear picture on what you may be paying for Part B. There is a late enrollment penalty for Part B, so if you choose not to go on Part B right when you're turning 65, and then you want to go on years later, you can see here that that premium may increase up to 10% for each 12-month period that you wait. So it's a good idea to figure it out at 65. And I can tell you the majority of people will have Part B. You kind of need it to have supplement coverage, or even on your group coverage that you may still have. A lot of it requires that you be enrolled in Part B. So just make sure you understand exactly how that works. How do you pay that Part B premium? If you receive Social Security, it comes out automatically from your Social Security check. If not, you can mail your premiums. You can pay by credit card, so forth and so on. So pretty easy to understand. Part A is included for you. Part B is about $105 a month in 2015. Unless you're a high income earner, then it would be more than that. And again, if you need any help with that, give me a call. You can look on my website to see what supplement coverage costs. You can put in your basic information there, and it'll bring up all the Medicare supplement plans that are in your area along with the premiums for them. So very easy to do. And if there's anything that I can do to help, just give me a call. Thanks and have a great day.